Mabuhay, tuklas, educational channel. Kung ikaw ay baguhan, maaring mag-subscribe at like. Kung ikaw ay nagbabalik, maraming salamat sa pagtangkilik. Ang paksa o topic sa video na ito ay ukol sa HTML5 Introduction. Ito ay iminumungkahi lalo na sa mga baguhan sa web design. What is HTML? HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It is the standard markup language for creating web pages. It also describes the structure of a web page, and it consists of a series of elements. From this HTML example, let me explain the following. The document type HTML tag is declaration defines that this document is an HTML5 document. The HTML element is the root element of an HTML page. The head element contains meta information about the HTML page. The title element specifies a title for the HTML page, which is shown in the browser's title bar or in the Pages tab. The body element defines the document's body, and is a container for all the visible contents, such as headings, paragraphs, images, hyperlinks, tables, lists, etc. HTML element R consists of start tag, element content and end tag. Note: some HTML elements have no content, like the break element. These elements are called empty elements. Empty elements do not have an end tag. Here are the browsers used in HTML: the Google Chrome, the Microsoft Edge, the Safari and the Firefox. Choose and use the browser that you are comfortable with and available. This is the HTML page structure. See the visualization of an HTML page structure. HTML editors. Step 1. Using Notepad or Notepad++, PC, Windows 8 or later. Open Start, Programs, Accessories then Notepad. Step 1. Using TextEdit Mac. Open Finder, Applications then TextEdit. Step 2. Write some HTML. Write or copy the following HTML code into Notepad and see the result or output to your browser. Step 3. Save the HTML page. Save the file on your computer. Select File then Save As in the Notepad menu. Name the file index.him and set the encoding to UTF-8, which is the preferred encoding for HTML files. Step 4. View the HTML page in your browser. Open the saved HTML file in your favorite browser, double-click on the file, or right-click and choose Open With. The result will look much like this. See you in our next lesson. Hanggang sa muli, aasahan ko kayo.